we have already learned how to find whether a number is more than, less than, or equal to a given number. Now, you know, these numbers, they like to present challenges to us. You know, they try to trick us with different kinds of questions and different types of numbers. So, are you ready to take these challenges along with me? Yes. Come, let's solve some questions. But don't worry, we have our dear friend Tree to help us with these numbers. So, can you find the larger number in this too? Well, let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, so we have reached both the numbers. Now, while counting, 11 came after 9, right? So, we know that the number which comes after a certain number is more than the number. So, 11 is more than 9, or 11 is the larger number. This was quite simple. Let's try and solve this one. So, which of these two is the larger number? Let's start counting again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This. So, yes, while we were counting, 18 came much later than 9. So, 18 is more than 9, or it is the larger number. But tell me one thing, wasn't it very tiring counting till 18? And this is still just 18. We have learned numbers till 99. What if we had 99 here? Would you still count till 99 to find out which is the larger number? How do we tackle this? Well, we have our friend Tree. Now, this friend is giving us a very useful trick. Let's see what he has to say. It says, count the digits of the two numbers. So, when you have two numbers and when you are asked which is more or larger or smaller or less, count the number of digits. So, we have learned one digit numbers and we have learned two digit numbers. The number which has more digits in it is bigger. So, if a number has more number of digits, it is bigger than the number which has less number of digits. Let's see how it works. So, how many digits do we have in each number? Look at 18. 1 and 8 come together to make 18. So, two digits have come together to make a single number. So, 18 is a two-digit number, or there are two digits in 18. What about 9? Just a single digit 9. So, 9 is a one-digit number. So, what did our friend Tree tell us? It said that the number which has more digits is bigger. Which has more number of digits? We know 2 is more than 1. So, 18 has more number of digits than 9. So, 18 is more than 9. And this was what we actually found by counting. So, this trick actually works. Yes? So, now can you find the largest number using the first trick of our tree friend? Well, how many digits are there in 6? Just one digit. And how many digits are there in 25? So 2, 5. There are 2 digits. So 25 is a 2-digit number. Now we know that 2 is more than 1. So a two-digit number is greater, more or larger than one-digit number. So 25 is the larger number. Now, what about this? 42 and 39. Well, let's count the number of digits. 4, 2. There are 2 digits here. And 3, 9, 39. Again 2 digits. Oh, so these numbers have tricked us again. We just know that if there are more number of digits, the number is greater. But in this case, both the numbers have the same number of digits. Both the numbers have 2 digits. So which is the greater number in this case? Let's see if our friend Tree can help us. It says if both the numbers have equal number of digits, which is the problem we are facing right now, then the number whose first digit is more is bigger. So this means that if the number of digits is same, then we need to look at the first digit. Let's do that. So these two are two-digit numbers. Let's look at their first digit. So the first digit here is 4, and in this case it is 3. We know very well that 4 comes after 3. So 4 is more than 3. Hence, this number is more than 39. So 42 is more than 39. So if the number of digits are the same, check for the first digit of the number. So can you now solve this on your own? Between 55 and 79, which is the larger number? Let's see. First thing is to count the number of digits. So the number of digits here is 2. The number of digits here is 2 again. So the first trick does not work here. What was the second trick? If the number of digits is the same, look for the first digits. So it is 5 in this case and 7 in this case. And which is bigger? 5 or 7? 7, right? So this number 79 is more than 55. So trick 2 has once again helped us in solving this question. Now let us see what challenge we have next. Once again, we need to find the larger number. We have 87 and 81. So first thing is count the number of digits. It is 1, 2. 2 digits here. 1, 2. 2 digits here. Trick 1 does not work. What was trick 2? If trick 1 does not work, that is, if the number of digits is the same, look for the first digit. What is the first digit? 8. What is the first digit in this case? 8 again. And these numbers have yet again presented a challenge. Now what do we do? Do I need to go to counting? No, I'll go to my friend Tree, and he has this trick to offer. If both numbers have equal number of digits and their first digit is also equal, that is, trick 1 and trick 2 do not work for us, then compare the last digit. If the last digit is more, the number is bigger. So let's see if we can apply this. So trick 1, well, both have 2 digits. Trick 1 does not work. Trick 2, see the first digit. 8 in this case, 8 in this case. So trick 2 does not work. Trick 3, That is, compare the last digit. If the last digit is more, the number is bigger. So I compare 7 and 1. Which is bigger, 7 or 1? We know 7 is more than 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 comes after 1. So 7 is more than 1, which means that 87 is more than 81. So this is how trick 3 has helped us solve this question. Let's solve another one. So let's see if you can solve it on your own. Well, trick 1, count the number of digits. 1, 2. 2 in this case. 1, 2. 2 in this case as well. They are the same. So trick 1 is of no use here. Trick 2, look at the first digits. So first digit is 9 and first digit is 9 again. So trick 2 also does not help here. Trick 3, compare the second digit. 2 here, 6 here. Which is bigger, 2 or 6? Well, it is 6. So since 6 is bigger or more than 2, 96 is more than 92. So this number is larger than this number. So once again, we are able to solve this using these tricks. So is that all? Well, not yet. Our friend Tree has to offer another trick. Let's read it carefully. So let me tell you the last trick. If both the numbers look exactly the same, then the numbers are equal. Let's see how it can help us. 93 and 93. Do they look the same? Well, yes. 93 is made up of 9 and 3. And this 93 is yet again made of 9 and 3. Hence, they are equal. So, none of the numbers is larger than the other. The numbers are equal to each other because they look exactly the same. So, do remember these tricks because, as I mentioned, these numbers love to pose challenges to us. If you remember these tricks, then you can easily answer any question on more, less, or equal. So remember these tricks and practice as much as you can. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.